The three-dimensional modeling space provides the ideal environment for producing and manipulating solid and surface designs. When starting a new drawing, the default view is a flat two-dimensional space. In the default settings for this space, the axis is viewed. Right-click and select Isometric to switch the view to an isometric view. A grid can be displayed which provides a three-dimensional context for the axes. The grid and the axes are always aligned to the view. The display of the grid and the axis is controlled here. Toolbars contain tearaway items which can be repositioned in the editor. Toolbar items are closed by clicking in the upper left corner. When solid objects are drawn in the editor, their data attributes are input into the edit fields. In this example, the data attributes of the block primitive are input into the fields after the object is drawn. Objects are selected in the editor using the Select tool, and in this instant the gripper is attached. The gripper is a modification and manipulation tool and is useful for in-place object modification. The gripper is activated here, and specific properties of the gripper are controlled in the inspector. In this example, uniform scaling is activated, allowing the gripper handles to uniformly scale the object. When uniform scaling is deactivated, the blocks on the gripper axis allow scaling in a single direction only. The arcs on the gripper allow the object to be rotated about the origin in the direction of the selected handle. Specific angles can be input into the edit fields. When an object is selected, the data attributes can be updated in the inspector. These updates are reflected in the edit fields. Solid objects can be viewed in transparency mode, making the interior structure more visible. Colors can also be changed by right-clicking and selecting the appropriate color. Objects are panned around the editor by holding down the spacebar and moving the mouse in the direction required. Diagonal and lateral movement is provided. Use the Dynamic Rotate tool to examine the model from all angles. The Dynamic Rotate tool is also accessed by holding down the mouse wheel and moving the mouse in any direction. Objects could be specifically shown or concealed in the editor. For example, by right-clicking over this part and selecting Hide, the object is hidden in the editor, allowing other objects to be more easily examined. A specific part can be isolated in the editor by using the Show Only option. All objects are again displayed in the editor by right-clicking and selecting the Show All option. face can be concealed by right-clicking over this face and selecting the Hide Face option. This allows the inner structure of the part to be more easily examined.